Hi, good morning. My name is Junimer and welcome to Planet Junimer Vlog. In today's video, I am going to show you how you can transfer funds to a different person's bank account for free. You heard it right. So there's no charge, there's no fees, and that's automatic. So funds will be available right away. This is not a paid video or sponsored video. I just wanted to share this most convenient app that I'm using right now, and I'm talking about GCASH. So without further ado, let's get it on. Alright, so this time I'm going to log in. Alright, so we're logged into our account, and this time I'm going to show you how you can transfer funds to a different person's account using this app. Alright, so what you need to do is just click on bank transfer. Alright, and there's a lot of banks that you can transfer to, like BPI, BDO, Metro Bank, Land Bank, Security Bank, Union Bank, PNB, China Bank, East West, RCBC, UCPB, PS Bank, AUB, PBCom, DBP, and All Bank, Bangko Mabuhay, Bank of Commerce, BDO Network Bank, Bangko, a subsidiary of BPI, Cebuana Luwilier, Rural Bank, China Bank Savings, CTBC Bank, Coins PH or Coins.ph, Dunganon Bank, East West Rural Bank, Equicom Savings Bank, GrabPay, ING Bank, Isla Bank Malayan, Maybank Philippines, OmniPay, Partner Rural Bank, Paymaya, Philippines Bank or Business Bank, Philippine Trust Bank, Philippine Veterans Bank, Quezon Capital Rural Bank, Robinsons Bank Corporation, Sterling Bank of Asia, Sun Savings Bank, UCPB Savings Bank, and Wealth Development Bank. So if you have an account to any of these banks, you can go ahead and transfer funds to your own account, or if the person that you're going to transfer to have these banks or have any of these banks, you can also transfer funds to their own accounts using GCash, and this is free. So for example, this time we're going to transfer, let's say the person that I'm going to transfer has a BPI account, so let me select the BPI. Okay, so we are now on this page, and you can put the amounts. So since this is just an example, I'm going to transfer $20. I'm sorry, 20 pesos. So I'm going to transfer 20 pesos. Alright, so for example, the name of the person that I'm going to transfer is Lucio Tan. Okay, so Lucio Tan. So enter the account number, and then you can also put your email address where you want to receive the receipt for this transfer, but this is just optional. So if you want to put your email address, that's okay, and if you don't want to put your email address, that's still fine. And after you put the account number, you can click the send money, and then before you hit the confirm option, you need to check if the information is accurate or if the information that you've entered is correct. So if ever that you wanted to change the account number, if there's an error, you can click the back option there, then made some corrections. All right, so once done and you verify that this is the correct account number of your recipient or the person that you wanted to transfer the amount to, then you can hit the confirm button. And again, this is free, where you can transfer up to the maximum of 50,000 pesos right away. Alright, so I think we're done, and I hope na may natutunan kayo sa video ito. And if you like the video, just click on subscribe button, and you can also click the notification bell for you to receive notifications if ever that I have a new videos created. Alright, so thank you again for watching. My name is Junimer and this is Planet Junimer Vlog.